Hey guys, back for another Adobe Photoshop tutorial real quick. So one of the other common question that gets asked is how do I change color on my fonts or on my image? This is actually an image. It is not a font in the sense of the text itself. So I have it on a layer of black background, which I can easily turn off and on to see. I keep the black background just to see what I'm working with and how, the shape or the image looks when I'm making edits to it. Um, so let me go ahead and get started. For this one, what I would like to do is I'd like to change the color for love. And actually, you know what? I'm going to change this whole entire image into an all white image. If you wanted to put it on a color background or color shirt, like black or blue, whatever color. But anyways, I'll change it to all white. So what I would do is go to my magic wand, which I used and showed the last video. It's the fourth icon down. And I'm going to change the love just to show you. So clicking on the love with my magic wand, it highlights the whole entire thing. Okay, because it's all the same color. The pink on the love is a little bit different, a little bit lighter than the mama font or the mama image. So with it being selected with my magic wand, I will go here and make sure that it is white, which is my color palette. Go up to edit and then fill. And I'm going to fill it with the foreground color. So it's taking the color that I choose here. The other thing you can do with this fill is that I can select a different color on here if I wanted to, but so right now it's locked onto the red that I chose. Let's see, I can also decide to pick a color here, which I'm going to go back to white, and then I'm going to hit OK, and so that changes that. Again, just to show you, if I select mama, so you'll notice if you missed my last tutorial, because I have contiguous selected, it's only going to select that color and where there's a border. So this whole M is one border, big border of color of a pink. But if I uncheck it and go back to select my word, it will select all of the same colors. So what I will do then is go to edit, fill, change to color, and it's already on white, so I'm going to hit OK. And there you have that. So I'm going to hit deselect, which is Control D. So for instance, let me change my color picker to white. It makes it a whole lot easier. And if I select the eye, go into edit, fill, now I'm going to check the foreground color because I changed my swatch here. So I'm going to hit OK, and again I'm going to select the heart, edit, edit, fill, foreground color, OK. So as you see, there's some rigidness to it. You're going to have to clean that up. I will show and make another tutorial on how to clean images on the edges, but for this one I was just showing how to change your colors. So if I go back and I unselect, and just to show you, if I took the background off, it's all white. So from here what I would do is save it as an image, a PNG, and then bring it over to CAD-Link, and it will print automatically the white color and then the white on top of it. Let me go and do undo so I can get all my colors back. Alright, the other thing to do, you could do, is with the layer of the image that is selected, and if I wanted to do the entire thing white quickly and at one time, I would select the layer, go down here to the effects layer style, and do a color overlay. Alright, so you kind of see this. Try to move things around here. And while it did do a white overlay, color overlay. It's kind of translucent. It's up because the opacity is only at 64, but if I bring it all the way up, you'll see that there is no trace of any other color. So that is also like a super quick, easy way to make quick changes to your font colors, or when it's an image and you can't change the font color directly. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you. The other thing, like I said, if I was just to select a certain color and then change it, I would go to Edit, Fill, Foreground. So that's how I personally change font colors or just image colors particularly. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, guys.